So I'll sing this for anybody from County Kilkenny. It's a song called The Rose of Mooncoin. Just imagine it's the Artane Boys band. How pleasant to roam by the sunny blue stream, to hear the dove coo, meet the morning sunbeam, where the thrush and the robin their sweet notes entwine on the banks of the shore that flows down by Mooncoin. Flow on, lovely river, flow gently along, your water so clear sings the lark's merry song. On the green banks I'll wander, where first I did join with you, lovely Molly, fair Rose of Mooncoin. Oh Molly, dear Molly, it breaks my poor heart to think how we two, love forever, must part. But I'll think of you, Molly, while sun and moon shines on the banks of the shore that flows down by Mooncoin. Flow on, lovely river, come, flow gently along, water so clear sings the lark's merry song. On the green banks I'll wander, where first I did join with you, lovely Molly, fair Rose of Mooncoin. Flow on, lovely river, flow gently along, your water so clear sings the lark's merry song. On the green banks I'll wander, where first I did join with you, lovely Molly,